What you're going to be creating is a little page that just shows each department and the number of employees that are in the department. And to do that, we are going to create a view model and put it in a view model folder. So you can see I've already done this. So I right clicked and I went to add and I chose new folder and I named it view models. Then I right clicked, add, and chose class. And the name of the class is department group. Now the class is very simple. And I've basically given you the code for the class. So let me refresh here because I did make a little adjustment. So this is your uh, class, and you can pretty much just copy and paste the code right into here. Then we need to add a new action method to our employee controller. And so at the top, you're going to add a using statement for the namespace or for your, employee chapter 12 view model. And again, so if you named this employee instead of employees, you need to make the adjustment up here. And then we are going to add our department count action method. And you can pretty much copy and paste the code for this. And basically what we're doing is we're creating a variable called data, and we're retrieving the employee information. We are specifying what the grouping is going to be. So the grouping is going to be based on department ID. Okay, we're calling that department group. And then in our new department group, we are specifying department group as a key. And so basically it's going to be retrieving that data using department group as a key. And when that key changes, it is going to give us a count. So that's how we're going to get a count of the number of employees in each department. So when the department changes, it gives us the count. And then we're taking all that data, throwing it to a list, and going to the view. So down here in the employee folder, you are going to need to create a department count view. And we'll add a using statement, pulling in employees chapter 12 models. And then we have a model statement indicating we are using the view model department group. And then this is a very simple table, basically of department ID and the number of employees. And then it's going to go through each item in the model, spit out the department ID and the department count. And that's pretty much all there is. The last change you'll make is to layout. And right before privacy is where we're going to add the link here. So privacy should be your last one. And so the controller here is employees. And our action method is department count. And I think I'll just say employees per department. Let me save everything and then we're going to run it. And there's employees per department, and there is my little report. And once you finish with that, you can upload this to GitHub and put the link in Moodle.